Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to learn all about the present simple tense. It's super important in English, and don't worry, I am here to help you understand everything.
Hey there! I am so happy you're here to learn English with me. We're going to take it one step at a time, and you'll see it's actually pretty fun and easy. Let's get started.
So, here's what we're going to do today. First, we'll ask, what is the present simple? Then we'll check out some examples, and after that, we'll get to practice together. And at the end, we'll see everything you've learned. Sounds good? Let's go! All right, let's dive into our first section. What is present simple? We're going to find out exactly when you should use it. And trust me, it's probably easier than you think. Okay, so the main idea is really simple. We use the present simple for just two big things, habits and facts. Let's take a closer look at each one, okay? First up, habits. So what's a habit? Well, it's just something you do often, again and again. Maybe it's something you do every single day or every week. It's part of your routine. Here's a perfect example for you. He brushes his teeth every day. See? That's a daily habit, a routine. And that's why we use the present simple here. Okay, now for the second thing, facts. What's a fact? It's just something that is always true. It never changes. It could be a science fact or just something everyone knows is true. For instance, take a look at this science fact. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is true today, tomorrow, always. And because it's always true, we use the present simple. Awesome. So now you know when to use the present simple. That's a huge step. Next up, let's learn how to actually use it correctly when we make sentences. Okay, have a look at this table. It shows us the main rule. For I, you, we, and they, the verb is easy. It's just run. But look, for he, she, and it, something changes. Can you see it? The verb becomes runs. We just add that little s on the end. So, this is the #1 most important rule you need to remember. For he, she, and it, you always add an s to the verb. That's the big secret. Let's look at a real sentence. I would say, I drink coffee. Simple, right? But if I'm talking about a man, I say, he drinks coffee. Did you hear that s sound on drinks? Yup, that's our rule in action. Okay, let's do another one. For a group of us, we'd say, we walk to school. But what about for just one girl? We say, she walks to school. There it is again. We add that s for she. All right, one last time, just to make sure. They like books. But for a thing, maybe a robot, we say it likes books. See? The s is there for it. You are really getting the hang of this. Okay, you've learned the rules, you've seen the examples, now it's your turn. It's time for us to practice. Let's try saying some sentences out loud together. Are you ready? Just repeat after me. I play. Great job. Now, remember that special rule we just learned? Say this with me. She plays. Did you make that S sound at the end? Fantastic. Let's do another one. Listen carefully, and then you say it. We work. Very good. Now, how would we say that for he? Yep, you got it. Repeat after me. He works. Excellent. You're making that S sound perfectly. All right, let's try a little quiz, just for fun. Can you finish this sentence for me? The dog, blank, fast. The verb is run. What do you think the right word is? Did you figure it out? The answer is runs. Why? Because the dog is like it, right? So we have to add that S. The dog runs fast. You are doing an amazing job. That was some really great practice. Seriously, you've learned so much today. Now let's move to our last section and just quickly go over the most important things to remember. Okay, quick review time. Here's what we learned. #1, we use the present simple for habits, things you do often. #2, we use it for facts, things that are always true. And the big rule, always add an s to the verb when you're talking about he, she, or it. You know what? You did a truly wonderful job today learning about the present simple. You should be really proud of yourself. Just keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing your English. You're doing great. I'll see you next time.